What is up, model dudes? So here I'm going to just do a quick unboxing of this 2024 brand new Tamiya Wildcat, and this is a really exciting kit for me. I really like the British scheme of the Wildcat. It's super sweet with the D-Day stripes and everything, but let's just get right into the box. You have your standard Tamiya instructions, and they go through it. It's exactly the same as the old Wildcat, which I actually have a video of that build on my channel, so go check that out. You want to see one of these Wildcats get built in a blue scheme, but the parts come in their typical plastic bags, just like standard Tamiya quality, and it comes with a little information packet about this particular Wildcat, which is standard for Tamiya anyways. It also comes with some masks for the canopy that you have to cut out yourself, and some nice decal schemes if you want to use Tamiya decals. They can be a bit tricky, so you'll have to prepare for that. The clear parts are standard Tamiya quality, and there's a little dude in there too. So a lot of people like the instructions like I do, and it's almost a collection itself as instructions, and I hoped that these were going to be colored actually, because the newer Tamiya kits have colored schemes in them, like their Jets and their $100 kits. But I guess this F3F isn't a $100 kit, so we get non-colored markings, which isn't really a big deal in the end scheme of things. So here are some parts of the first sprue on this kit, and you can see that there is a lot of detail on all of the surface panels and different control areas of the aircraft itself. The engine, however, is not very good. I would probably relate this engine to maybe a little bit better than any Revel or standard engine that you see nowadays. You would definitely want to seek an aftermarket purchase for this. Just search up a Pratt & Whitney. You could fit it in there, I'm sure. But all in all, it is a well-detailed engine, more detailed than a lot of other kits out there. There's also a lot of rivets and nice recessed panel lines on this kit. Let's not forget that this is a Tamiya kit, so it's going to be a great build. Now, the first time I always look at a kit, I always look at the wheels to see how much seam work I'll have to do, and if I'll have to razor saw 1,000 lines in it. And sure enough, this one, you don't have to do that. It's nice to have some wheels that don't have to be fused together, which I understand why they do that, but it's nice to have a break from that anyways. So after going through all the sprues and all the parts and realizing that they look great, I do realize one of the things that my old Wildcat was missing was one of those tanks in this area here. And they even have a placement square that goes in there, and that tank would sit right on in the landing gear bay area, but looks like they don't have it here. So following Edwards' kit with their Wildcat, then they produced another one with just new decal markings, and honestly, everyone doesn't want to use their markings anyways, so it was kind of like a waste of time, I feel like, for Tamiya. But all in all, I'm going to build this kit. I'm going to use the decals, so I guess I'm a sucker. I guess I fell for it, you know? But all in all, I really am excited to build a kit, as I built the Wildcat before and it went along great. So thank you guys again for watching, and let's get back to building. I'll see you guys in the next one.